Showcase Zhongtuo fully automatic metal acoustic panel production line, specially designed for a customer in Russia. The production line starts with a 5-ton hydraulic decoiler equipped with a loading car, ensuring smooth and efficient coil handling. The material passes through an independent leveling machine for excellent flatness before entering the servo feeding and punching section. The line features a powerful 160-ton Yongli punching press with high-precision servo feeding technology, achieving punching accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 mm and stable high-speed operation. After punching, the strip enters the roll-forming machine. With over 20 forming stations and hardened CR12 rollers, the machine delivers precise panel profiles and long service life. The PLC control system supports both Russian and English interfaces, making operation easy and user-friendly. Suitable for galvanized steel and aluminum materials, this production line can manufacture high-quality acoustic panels with production speeds up to 8 meters per minute. From decoiling, leveling, punching, roll forming, cutting, to finished product collection, the entire process is fully automated. If you are looking for a reliable roll-forming machine solution, contact us today.